Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? How long have you been learning 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 English? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you please say that again? 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 Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Would you mind spelling that for me? 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 How do you pronounce this word? 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 What do you mean by this? 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 I am sorry. What do you mean? I am sorry. What do you mean? I am sorry. What do you mean? What is this thing called in English? 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 How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? I speak a little English. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. I can speak English very well. I can speak English very well. I can speak English very well. Your English is excellent. Your English is excellent. Your English is excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently. I wish I could speak English fluently. I wish I could speak English fluently. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please repeat what you said. Please repeat what you said. Please repeat what you said. I am afraid to speak English. 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 I panic when I speak English. I panic when I speak English. I panic when I speak English. Sorry, my English is not quite good. Sorry, my English is not quite good. Sorry, my English is not quite good. How often do you speak English? 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 I can read English very well, but I can't speak it. I can read English very well, but I can't speak it. I can read English very well, but I can't speak it. I would like to improve my English. I would like to improve my English. I would like to improve my English. You have good pronunciation. You have good pronunciation. You have good pronunciation.